March 1st?
I think so. Yeah. April Fools. Oh, wait, that's
What?
March. 1 month off. Man, always a day late and a month short. But,
How'd you do that?
I don't know. Sounded
April. It says April in it, not March.
good. January, February, March, April. We're only a month off, though. Who knows?
Oh my gosh, you're
Yeah.
hilarious.
Let's go look at the anchor. Let's go. Too cold. Let's go. You'll get your stuff. All right, it's dinner time. We made rice in the rice cooker with the inverter, which is super convenient because it doesn't rob a lot of propane, which we have a limited supply of. And we've got peanut sauce to put on the rice. The peanut sauce is fantastic. It's a Thai peanut sauce mix that's a powder, and you boil the water, you put the powder in it. We also put powdered coconut milk in with it to give it a really creamy flavor. Without this, it's kind of bland. And then I also put soy sauce in it. And what else? Oh, and I put peanut butter in it to give it a really rich peanut buttery taste, because it's hard to get that really peanutty taste from the powder. And then canned bacon that we brought with us, and then green beans. So
That looks kind of gross.
it looks terribly delicious, Kenzie.
Does it taste like real bacon?
Kind of.
I mean, it came from a can. Is it crispy enough, or do we need to cook it more?
We could cook it more. It's not quite crispy.
Okay.
Yeah, the bacon actually needs salt, oddly enough. Who's ever heard of bacon needing salt, right? If you're Amish, I guess you don't put a lot of salt in your bacon.
It's Amish bacon.
Yeah. Okay.
I want my bacon on the side.
That is the side.
I'm just making sure you know.
I'll let you get your own bacon. Kenzie hates it when her food touches. That's dinner out of the build.
And you need
What?
your cashews.
Oh my gosh. That was a close call.
Randall loves his cashews and he forgets them every time. No joke.
And it makes me
Every
so
time.
angry when I forget to put cashews on my rice.
Very nice, Randall. You're a good cook.
Thanks.
Okay, I'm gonna taste this bacon, and I'll tell you if it tastes like real bacon or not, because...
It's canned bacon.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not as salty.
It's definitely got the bacon crunch.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually really thin. I'm used to it being a little bit thicker. And you're right, it could use a little bit of salt. But it's good. It tastes like real bacon.
Nice. What else are we doing? We took the dinghy over to the beach, and then the tide went down, and we had to drag it like a quarter mile over the sand to get back to the water, which was epic. And Kenzie did laundry, which was super nice. But she didn't do my laundry. She only does hers. But she did her laundry. I wash my own stuff, you know.
No, I didn't get through the whole bag.
I mean, I wash her dishes, don't get me wrong. But, you know, when it comes to laundry, it's one-sided.
No, it's not. I just didn't get to it yet.
My laundry? You weren't gonna wash my laundry. No, she lies.
pouring it out on accident. I'm trying to show it in the camera.
Okay. And went snorkeling, saw some more fishes. Water clarity wasn't great, but went anyway. Dove off the side of the boat over the railing for Richard. Little shout out there to my little brother. Took a video of it just for him.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, I had to dive off like 6 times to get my form right, but it'll look perfect in the video. I mean, it'll look just perfect. We're moving.
Leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, that's the one.
We're moving on.
Yeah, we're going to Allen Key, or Allen Keys, depending on how you call the map. And it's gonna be a ways. It's like 35 miles, I think, maybe 40, depending on how crooked we gotta motor around. We've been waiting a couple of days for the wind to reduce, I guess you'd say.
Die down.
Yeah, we're waiting for less of it. Whatever it's gonna do, we want less of it. Because we gotta motor straight into it. It's the trades, and we're just pointing straight at them. So we didn't want 20 knots of wind. If we're going downwind, it's okay, but we don't want to motor straight into 20 knots. So we're waiting until there's like 6 or 10, which is tomorrow and the next day. Tomorrow marks the first day of getting to the Exumas. Up until tomorrow, that is, everything has just been trying to get
To that point. Yeah.
So if it sucked, we're like, well, we're not there yet, you know. I mean,
Yep.
if it was great, it was like a bonus. We're like, we're not even there yet. It's already awesome. Tomorrow, we'll see. Is it all it's cracked out to be, or has it just been a lot of work just to see if we can do it?
How many rinses do you think this needs?
I think it needs 3. That's what I've found. Wash, and then 3 rinses seems to be perfect.
But they're still soap.
Yeah, stick it down in the water.
Well, the soap's in the water.
Not much now.
Look at all this soap. You're making more soap.
No, I'm making more bubbles. Now my soap comes off. Can make more
Bubbles are soap.
No, bubbles are not soap.
Bubbles are soap.
No. I love you.
Okay, well, is the soap out then?
Mostly.
I don't think this is gonna get down.
It is.
Is it still sitting in it?
Yeah. You can't get it less soapier than the water is, okay? It's not possible.
I know. There's bubbles in the soap.
So getting it out of the water, yeah.
The soap is in the water with bubbles. So bubbles are soap.
Hardly. Doesn't hardly even smell like soap anymore. Huh?
I think that's just squishing more soap further inside.
Nope, it can't. Not possible. The water started out cleaner. So all you can do is bring the soapy sheet down to the same level as the water. You can't make the water more soapy and put it in. It's not possible. Mathematically impossible. I am positive. Look, it's not hardly soapy at all.
Okay, it's done.
Yeah.